Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making pumpkin pie, and this is so easy to make. And if you want your pumpkin pie to come out clean and please keep watching. You just need a can of pumpkin pie puree, and we're going to add some eggs in it. So everything is just going to go in at once. I add 3/4 cup of whipping cream, heavy cream, whipping cream anyone can work, sugar, brown sugar and white sugar, of course, and we have salt. We have some, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder. I use ginger powder as well. So I'm just going to list everything out in the description. Just do well to check it, and you can do this anytime, any day. It's so easy to replicate. Go ahead and mixing everything we just added. Now, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Do well to like, do well to help to subscribe. Thank you for your support to my channel. I really appreciate that a lot. And now this was a request from my son. He needed a pumpkin pie, and I was like, don't worry, I got you. And now I have my pre-baked pie crust. Yeah, just add that. You can just buy that from the store and use it. It's so easy. Yeah, makes the work easy. I didn't make the pie crust from the scratch. Now go ahead and bake that for 1 hour. Yeah, you need to bake it for 1 hour. Put in your skewer, poke it. If it comes out clean, your pumpkin pie is good to go. Now I'm going to let this to rest for 2 hours. This is after 2 hours. It's solid and ready to be cut. That is when you should cut it. Don't cut the pumpkin pie right away. No, you need to leave it to cool on its own. And if you want it to cool faster for the 2 hours, take it out of the baking pan. Yeah, the pan where you baked it, take it out of it. That is one secret, because the pan is hot. So if you take it out of the pan after 2 hours, it's going to be ready for you to cut it into the perfect size. Now for the frosting, like whatever you want to put on that, it's fine. For me, I used sugar, the icing sugar, and cheese cream. So I just whipped that together, and that was what I used for the frosting. So you could also use the maple syrup. Whatever frosting you want to be perfect for this pumpkin pie. Now do well to put like extra sugar if you want it to be super sweet. Yeah, do well to put some extra sugar. But for me, I kept it moderate, and this is how it looks: flawless and yummy and ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one.